Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and Y on Lemurroid Easy Guide. First, install Lemurroid and allow storage access, then place your Pokémon X and Y ROMs in a clear game folder. Use a reliable file manager to move files, keeping backups. Open Lemurroid, scan the folder, and configure controls before launching the game to ensure saves and audio work correctly. Set up controls and saves for the best experience. Pair a Bluetooth controller or stick with touch mappings, then test inputs in a brief demo. Enable autosave plus manual save states for safety before gyms or key encounters. If performance dips, tweak frame skip and audio buffer settings to balance smooth visuals with responsive sound for extended sessions. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Quick recommendation: keep a handy water bottle nearby to stay hydrated during long play sessions, and consider the Owala water bottle for convenient sipping on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize performance with simple steps that keep your sessions smooth and consistent. Close background apps and exempt Lemurroid from battery optimization to prevent the OS from slowing the app. Select balanced graphics to enjoy 3D visuals without excessive load, and keep your device cool by avoiding direct sunlight or heavy cases during play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.